Ever thought about how to connect with a younger woman but found yourself unsure of the right approach? Today, we're going to reveal 6 little-known tips for older men looking to form a genuine connection with a younger partner. These insights will go beyond the usual advice, focusing on building a bond that's rooted in shared interests and understanding. And don't forget, I have a special bonus tip waiting for you at the end of the video. This bonus point will perfectly complement everything we discuss and is essential for forming a truly meaningful connection. 1. Cultivating a positive self-image. Let's dive into the world of self-image. A positive self-image is like a magnet. It attracts people and creates a radiant presence around you. How does this work? Let's unpack it. Having a positive self-image is all about feeling good in your own skin. It's the confidence that comes from accepting and loving yourself as you are. This kind of confidence is infectious and highly attractive. It's about walking into a room and owning your presence, not with loudness, but with a quiet, self-assured energy. And guess what? This energy doesn't go unnoticed. But how do you cultivate this positive self-image? Start with self-care. Whether it's hitting the gym, reading a good book, or simply taking time for your hobbies, these activities build a sense of self-worth. And when you value yourself, others follow suit. It's not about age, it's about attitude. A well-maintained, healthy lifestyle coupled with a zest for life makes you stand out in any crowd, irrespective of the age gap. Remember, a positive self-image isn't a one-time effort. It's a lifestyle. It's about continuously evolving and presenting the best version of yourself to the world. So, embrace your journey of self-improvement. It's the most attractive thing you can wear. 2. Staying culturally informed. It's like having your finger on the pulse of what's current and exciting. But why is this important? Let's jump in. Keeping up with current trends and cultural events is more than just a conversation starter. It shows that you're engaged with the world around you and can relate across different age groups. Whether it's the latest hit series, a viral TikTok dance, or contemporary music, understanding these cultural references makes you more relatable and interesting. It bridges the gap and shows that you're not just stuck in the past. But how do you stay culturally informed? It's simpler than you might think. Start by exploring new genres of music or checking out the latest movies and TV shows. Follow social media trends or read up on contemporary issues. This doesn't mean you have to pretend to be someone you're not. It's about showing genuine interest and willingness to understand the world she lives in. This approach does wonders. It brings fresh energy into conversations and allows you to connect on a level that goes beyond age. So, dive into the cultural pool. It's refreshing and surprisingly fun. Staying informed shows you're adaptable and open, qualities that are universally appealing. 3. Leveraging life experiences. Sharing your journey isn't just storytelling, it's about creating a bond. But why does this matter? Let's explore. Your life experiences are like a treasure trove of stories, wisdom, and lessons learned. They're unique to you and incredibly valuable. When you share these experiences, you offer a window into your world. It's not about boasting or living in the past. It's about showing the depth of your character, your resilience, and your ability to grow. This kind of sharing can be incredibly attractive and engaging. But how do you share these experiences in the right way? The key is relevance and relatability. It's about finding the right moments to share a story that can inspire, teach, or simply entertain. It's about connecting your past experiences with the present in a way that resonates. Maybe it's a travel adventure that sparked a lifelong passion or a challenge you overcame that taught you a valuable lesson. This approach to sharing experiences is enriching. It shows that you're not just another date, but a person with a rich history and depth. It invites deeper conversations and a genuine interest in each other's lives. So, share your journey. It's more engaging than you might think. It's not just about where you've been, but also about where you can go together. 4. Effective communication. Good communication is the backbone of any strong relationship. But what makes it so vital? Time for a deep dive. Effective communication is about more than just talking. It's about connecting. It's the art of expressing your thoughts and feelings in a clear and understandable way. And equally, it's about listening. In a relationship with a younger woman, this becomes especially crucial. Why? Because it bridges gaps, not just in age, but in perspectives. It's about finding a common language that transcends generational differences. So, how do you master this art? Start by being an active listener. Pay attention to not just her words, but also to the emotions and intentions behind them. When it's your turn to talk, be clear and honest. Share your thoughts in a way that is respectful and considerate. Avoid assumptions. If in doubt, ask questions. Remember, It's a two-way street. This approach to communication does wonders. It builds trust and understanding, laying a strong foundation for the relationship. So, engage in meaningful conversations. They're the bridges that connect hearts and minds. 5. Personal growth and self-improvement. Constantly evolving and improving oneself is a journey that never gets old. But why is this journey so important, especially in relationships? Let's explore that. Personal growth is all about being the best version of yourself. Whether it's learning a new skill, staying fit, or expanding your intellectual horizons, these efforts speak volumes about your character. And guess what? This quest for self-improvement is incredibly attractive. It shows that you're not just living, you're thriving. So, how do you embark on this path of self-improvement? It's about setting goals and embracing challenges. Read more, travel, learn a new language, or even pick up a new hobby. These activities aren't just for self-betterment. They make you more interesting and engaging. It's about showing that age is just a number, and what really matters is your zest for life and your willingness to grow. This approach is not just about attracting a younger woman. It's about creating a fulfilling life for yourself. And a fulfilled life is inherently attractive. It's not about impressing someone with what you've achieved, but inspiring them with what you aspire to achieve. So, keep growing, keep learning, and let your life be an adventure that others are excited to be a part of. 6. Authenticity and honesty. These two qualities are essential in any relationship, more so when there's an age difference. But what makes them so crucial? Let's unpack this. Being authentic means being true to yourself and to her. It's about showing your real self, not a version you think she might like. This genuine approach is refreshing and builds a foundation of trust. Honesty goes hand in hand with authenticity. It's about being open about your intentions, your feelings, and your past. Honesty isn't just about telling the truth, it's about being real and vulnerable. How do you practice this? Start by being introspective. Understand what you truly want from the relationship and communicate that. If you have concerns or doubts, express them. If you have joys and passions, share them. It's about creating a space where both of you can be your true selves. This approach is far more meaningful. It shows that you value and respect her enough to be real with her. It's not about playing games or wearing a mask. It's about creating a connection that's rooted in reality. Authenticity and honesty might seem simple, but they are the bedrock of any deep and lasting relationship. So, be genuine, be honest, and watch how your connection deepens. Now for the bonus tip, empathy and understanding. These are the secret ingredients in any relationship, especially when there's an age difference. But why are they so crucial? Let's explore this a bit more. Empathy is about putting yourself in her shoes. It's understanding her world, her challenges, and her perspectives. When you empathize, you connect on a deeper level. It's not just about sympathizing. It's about truly understanding her emotions and experiences. And understanding, it's about comprehending her thoughts, feelings, and actions. How do you cultivate these qualities? Listen actively. Pay attention not just to her words, but also to what she's not saying. Try to grasp her point of view, even if it differs from yours. Show genuine interest in her life and feelings. Ask thoughtful questions, and provide a safe space for her to express herself. Empathy and understanding can transform a relationship. They create a deep emotional connection that goes beyond surface-level attraction. It shows that you're not just interested in a physical connection, but in an emotional one too. So, practice empathy and understanding. They are the gateway to a meaningful and fulfilling relationship. Now that you know how to seduce her, what's next for you? Discover the subtle signs she's checking you out, or learn how to read her body language. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.